Hey drivers, Brian here, your honest mechanic. If your car is sputtering, hesitating, or struggling with acceleration, your fuel injectors might be clogged. And guess what? You don't need a mechanic to fix this. Today, I'm going to show you how to unclog fuel injectors at home step by step. No fluff, no nonsense, just a solid fix for your car. Step 1. Confirm the problem. Before we start, let's make sure clogged injectors are the real issue. Here's what to look for. Rough idling or engine misfires, loss of power when accelerating, poor fuel economy, check engine light turning on. If that sounds like your car, it's time to clean those injectors. Step 2. Use a fuel injector cleaner. The easiest method? A fuel injector cleaning additive? Pick a high-quality cleaner, Chevron's Techron, Lucas, or Seafoam. All work well. Pour the recommended amount directly into your gas tank when it's almost empty. Fill up with fresh fuel, then drive normally. This method works best for mild clogs. If your injectors are really gunked up, we need to go deeper. Step 3. Clean the injectors manually for stubborn clogs. For this, you'll need a fuel injector cleaning kit, a can of pressurized cleaner, safety glasses and gloves. Here's how to do it. Disconnect the fuel pump relay. This prevents fuel from reaching the injectors. Attach the cleaning kit to the fuel rail, following the instructions on the kit. Start the engine and let the cleaner run through the injectors. This dissolves stubborn buildup. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes after shutting off the engine to break down any remaining deposits. Reconnect the fuel pump relay and start the car. Step 4. Test your work. Take your car for a spin. If the throttle response is smoother and the misfires are gone, you're good to go. If the issue persists, the injectors may need professional ultrasonic cleaning or replacement. Final tips. Prevent future clogs by using injector cleaner every few thousand miles. Use high-quality fuel to reduce carbon buildup. Replace your fuel filter regularly. It protects the injectors from dirt and debris. And that's it. You've just saved yourself a costly repair. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest car fixes, and drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next one.